So we've come over to the Net Zero section here at UK Construction Week, and I am joined by Thomas and Simon, who, whilst are on the same stand, they're from slightly different companies, so I'm going to let them explain who they are and what they're doing here. So I'm going to start with you, Thomas. Thanks for having a chat with us.
No problem. I'm Thomas Atkinson. I'm Head of International Affairs for Hoffmann Green Cement Technologies company. We actually produce clinker-free cement, basically providing a cement that is 6 times less carbon emitting than a traditional OPC cement. Simon Day is our director from Semblend. He's our exclusive partner for distribution of the cement in the UK, and I'll let him introduce himself too.
Yeah, fantastic. Simon, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. So Simon Bolton from Semblend. We're a relatively young UK business. We blend cement, so by nature we're making them lower carbon, and the Hoffmann Green products provide us with the lowest carbon solutions that we've got to offer into the UK market.
That's so exciting, because obviously cement, it is one of those topics that everyone goes, oh, how do we make this a little bit more environmentally friendly? So you're actually offering this solution, which is fantastic.
The actual important thing is that we're offering a very low carbon footprint cement, but without any compensation. So when we say we actually provide a cement with 188 kilos per ton of cement produced, it's actually an exact carbon footprint. So we're not planting trees on the other side of the world to actually use it. So we only use byproducts from other industries, circular economy, and activating these wastes to create new cements with the same mechanical performances as a traditional OPC would do.
That's so exciting. This has to be the way moving forward, right? Are you seeing a lot of people are being really engaged in it?
Yeah, everybody wants to talk to us, everybody wants to understand it. There are some delivery challenges in terms of the standards. So in the concrete industry, the standards don't necessarily allow the use of novel cement. So we're on a load of working groups and committees trying to change those standards. But there are still lots of applications where you can use them. And that's the areas that we've really targeted so far.
Amazing. So we're here at UK Construction Week. What have you, besides what we've already mentioned, is there anything sort of really specific that you've been pushing while you've been here?
Well, we have today 3 different technology. 2 is based on basically slag, which is waste materials from the steel industry, and another one based on calcined clay. The idea of us being there in London today was to show that the product is there, available. It's not just a startup project in a lab somewhere. It's actually there being delivered, and you can see behind me the actual Hoffmann Green tower, mixing tower that provides 250,000 tons of cement per year, okay, in terms of opportunity. And this one is actually 52% autonomous in electricity. It provides, I forgot that now. Yeah, well, when for an OPC, you actually use and burn fossil energy, and that will consume between 800 and 1300 of kilowatt hour per ton of cement produced, when we are down to 82 kilowatt hour per ton. So it's drastically a new paradigm for the cement industry. It's just a matter of, as Simon says, moving the standards so that we could get into it, because we've got no clinker, you're not in the standards, and the standards were written by actually clinker producers in the first place. So obviously there's a bit of work to do in there.
It's almost like you're ahead of the game.
Trying to be, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Amazing. So why is it then important that you are here at UK Construction Week?
It's about raising awareness. There is a lot of interest in the industry, but it's about making sure that everybody understands at every different level. It's no good a contractor wanting to use these kind of novel materials, but a concrete producer doesn't know how to make it or doesn't know where they can get them from. Otherwise it could all fall down. So we just want as many people as possible to know that we're here, to know the products that we've got, and then just to be part of the solution.
Amazing. Have you had fun?
It's been brilliant.
Well, up to now.
You loved the interview. Amazing. Well, I'm going to let you go and enjoy the rest of your day 2. I know we're nearly done getting ready for day 3 tomorrow, which I know will be a fantastic success for you. So thank you so much for joining us. Come down and have a chat with them in the Net Zero section.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.